To add an object from another photo with the photo assist feature on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, open Gallery app and then open the required photo. Tap the photo assist icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right. And then tap add from gallery. Select the photo where the object you like to add is in. Draw around the object you like to add to select it. Tap done button. If needed, you can resize, reposition, or rotate the object so it can blend well with your photo. Next, tap Generate button to let your phone uses the AI to fill in the image, add the missing pieces, and sculpt new scenery. Once done, tap Save Copy to save the edited photo as a new photo. As you can see, the selected object has been added to your photo. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.